We have another baby. I started to hear a kitten cry. It was underneath this bin.
Oh, I hear a cat.
It was a complete fluke finding Twiggy. I think Mama Cat had a nest up here, and then when they were moving yard debris around, the babies fell down here. Another one? One of the employees was like, hey, did you know there's some more kittens over here?
Hi, baby.
Another one.
Oh my gosh, that was the most stressful hour of my life. They were between 3 and 4 weeks old. The whole experience learning how to feed them. It was definitely a learning experience. We always have the kittens out in the living room area, and the dogs are out with them. Ginger was immediately wanting to be involved. Good girl. Good girl, Ginge. She would lay down next to us and stick her head on my lap. We'd let them crawl all over her. We sat on your back. Let them attack her face. She was just immediately in love. Is that your mom? After having the kittens for a few days, Haas started to obsess over them too. He's very, very gentle. They're always just completely in awe of these little animals running around, and they're so, so gentle for being such big dogs. I think they're just really happy to get to be real parents for these kittens. We decided that we are going to keep Bird and Twiggy. I think they think Ginger and Haas are their actual parents. They love our dogs. We love them. I can't imagine taking them away from our other animals or from us. Gonna continue fostering the Briar and Nettle until they're up to a more healthy weight. We have so many local families interested in them, which is awesome because we'll know for sure that they're gonna go to wonderful homes.